Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce financial stress with Bank of America, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding financial stress is crucial for your overall well-being. The first step in reducing financial stress is to assess your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including bank statements, bills, and any debts. Create a clear picture of your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary costs. Next, consider building a budget using Bank of America's budgeting tools. Log into your Bank of America account and navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Input your income and categorize your expenses for a comprehensive view. Set realistic financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Use the goal-setting feature to track your progress directly in your Bank of America account. If you're struggling with debt, explore options for debt management. Bank of America offers resources and counseling for debt consolidation. Contact their customer support or visit their website for detailed guidance. Consider opening a savings account to build an emergency fund. Research Bank of America's savings options that suit your needs. Automate your savings to ensure you regularly set aside money. Review your credit score regularly through Bank of America's credit monitoring tools. Improving your credit score can lead to better financial opportunities. Stay informed about financial literacy resources provided by Bank of America. Participate in workshops or webinars offered to gain valuable insights. Finally, check in with your finances regularly. Set aside time each month to review your budget, goals, and overall financial health. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce financial stress and make informed decisions for your future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.